You think you can challenge me, okay? That's right. You can't. You can't. Disassembled, the developer, has challenged me to beat his high score of 212 kills or something cash. I don't really, I don't really care. I'm gonna beat the score right now. All right, we're gonna get into it. Let's go. All right, here we are playing Disassembled Early Access version 2. Is this a different area? Wait, so am I already playing a new area? Hey, VR Oasis. What's going on, brother? I think this is a different area. Is it? No, maybe it's the same. No, I think it is different. I can't really tell. All right. There you go. I pretty much lost one sandal and stuck with the machine gun, the alien gun, switched a bit with the EMP grenades, and of course those turrets were saviors. So awesome. Looks like I earned 7,000 cash and 227 kills is my top for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. And thanks for watching, guys.
I guess the challenge is back at you, developer. Oh yeah!